fully. One state they could never bully. Like, share, subscribe to my channel because I entertainment pan a blast. Alright. Let me say me no know nothing. Alright. Vybz Kartel. Vybz Adidja Palmer Kartel. Adi Bantag. You see it? Are you me I talk to now, my general? My G. You see it? The icon. The legend. You see what I say? Dancehall hero. You get what I say? Are you me I talk to now? When you do the Fox 5 interview, come make a beat and teach a little clown here because you're an artist, you don't have time for I am coffee tea. We're over there. I instigate people. Because guess what? No? Him not nobody I watch him. Him channel a drown. You get what I say? Him piggyback from where to where. What do you look at thing with popcorn and thing? Him up on heavy unruly platform. See? Him gone over bone team, everything to try to fight against a man where rent a bed gi. Rent a room gi and give the man in bed, which is your vlogger with them call Gaza Uncle, right? Watch this. Vybz Kartel. When you go up on the Fox 5 interview, a lie me I tell. If I lie me I tell, the book me need to get snare. That's why me I put it out in the YouTube atmosphere. We're gonna show these two fools, Pepper Seed and him, something. They see it. I never want to prove it, but I'm going to show them. Vybz Kartel, when you do the Fox 5 interview and say, the day when them bring you on Movado down at them house, the politician house them, when them bring you and put it up on TV if you sit down, when you think it was some icon moment as ghetto youth, until you realize, say, it was the civic plan, a target, them a target to and using as a skateboard. The whole world here when you tell Fox 5 that. Vybz Kartel, tell them fool you how you forward by that knowledge and how you pray it and realize it's a real thing. You see what I say? Yeah. I mean this, I times. I mean lifestyle. You see it? Yeah. Fully. You see me? One state where them could never bully. You see what I say? I times. Blessed Gaza Diva. You know the facts, you know the truth. You have the receipts. You see what I say? Yeah. My fans them, family them, they used to watch me, blog. I don't know what you me attack. So let me teach these little clowns something. I mean this, I times. See Vybz Kartel? I mean this, I times. Because enough people don't know how you forward by that knowledge, you know. And I say that to Fox 5 and the world. Says a scapegoat them they use you and move out against. It's not what uno really that do and what them want to say. It's just a scapegoat. It was all a plan. You know what I mean? It was just the corruption system. Alright? All of the people would wonder what the P stand for. In a Sir P, it stand for the Phantom. Sir Phantom. You know what I mean? Remember the people, remember who take on Sir P. Who say him can expose Sir P. I times. You see what I say? Remember all of them vlogs that we take down off of YouTube? Alright, Sir P used to answer my say, if now watch me, etc. We could have been going back and forth. We could have been doing it. Next thing, Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, Adi Bantan, I mean this, I times. Yes, what I say? I times with O. Alright, you know the thing. These little fools, they don't know nothing. They was just trying to piggyback off of your thing, and that's what you did. You load them up in a wagon and send them all over the cliff. And see them all over the cliff there because they weren't real cars of a mine. But you know that. You know what the fame and the hype bring. Whole heap of fake friend and whole heap of piggybacking. You see? Yeah. So when them hear you go up on Fox 5 interview and you tell them say, them use you as a scapegoat when them bring you on Movado down at that house there, the politician them house and put it up on live TV. You never know, so sign off. So uno have to take the fall for Jamaican society problems. Alright, next thing. I times. You remember the encryption and data. You remember encrypting and data. Alright, let me teach these fools something. Why them never know or Isaac. And you know what? Big up a liar lady day. Big her up. Big her up. Big up the liar lady day. You see, I'm not gonna call her name in my vlog, but Jamaica know who me attack. You see me I say? Big up the liar lady day. You see it? Because these men don't understand say certain things can be created in a phone. And Jamaica have them technology there. You see it? I sit down on platforms night. 15 people are watching me. I'm tell everybody say. You see what you see happening in Jamaica now? It was coming. You see it? And I tell you now again, all the Jamaican people will live in the ghetto them and everywhere. Pay on a land taxes, especially places like Raytown, Mountain View. You see what I say? Jungle, Rima. These places are going to be some prime development. You know what I mean? Alright. One on again. I'm going to one another last time. You see what I say? Alright. So you know, say, certain things in a phone like messages. So I text a messages today. I'm going to text the message and say, Coffee Tea is the YouTube Jeffrey Dahmer the way I move. You see it? The messages was created today in the phone. You know? See? You see, January, if you have the skill and the technology, it could make the message look like it was created in January. Even last year too. And a whole heap of that, it happened in a Vybz Kartel case too. Despite what they believe and the public narrative what they may want for paint. And there was a liar in Jamaica who was exposing that because she have people on her team who have these capabilities as well. These liars and not joke liars. Alright? It's a reason why Paula Lloyd delayed the phone and said she not send the phone. It was a reason why the expert would have to fly down and come look in the phone. And then by the time the expert reached back, the deadline for submit those evidence was passed. Even though the evidence was viewed, it couldn't be submitted. It couldn't be read out to the public. All of that was for a reason. But alright, leave it as that. I mean this man Vybz Kartel. Higher times, man. You see it? Do they know why you do the song Miss Ontario? Do they know why you went and like a 3, 4, 5 song, a DJ about the city, the land, North America? I mean this man Vybz Kartel. Higher times, in? Yeah, we not look no clout on the limelight. You see it? Yeah. But I just beat and teach 2 fools. The dunce boy. You see? Can you see through my dunce? A dunceness. As I say, if you live on the street and I give them knowledge, them not take it. But wear a fancy suit and speak is spooky. You see it? These people are lost. Them lost. You see it? But we stand strong. Firm like a man. We stand strong. Hey, Coffee Tea, change your ways and just stand up like a man. Jano, but I beat where I beat and teach. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hear that? Alright.